Bilingual investing, breaking investing barriers. Jay here with you guys today to talk to you guys about the real truth about cryptocurrency investing. That's today's video topic. It's very interesting, so let's dig in. But before we do so, guys, make sure you guys like this video if you enjoy this type of free educational content on YouTube. Make sure you guys are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Also, click on the notification bell so you guys can stay informed and up to date with our brand new videos, guys. So the first part is success takes time, guys. There's no way around it. There's no way around it. You want to be successful, it's going to take time, and that's fine. It shouldn't be seen as something negative. No, it's a reality, so you just grow through it. And that has to be the mindset. Number two, success comes as an extension of our education. If there's no education, then there's no success. So we're definitely going to talk about that today. And also cryptocurrency as a vehicle of wealth. You know, in my opinion, I believe cryptocurrency provides us a massive opportunity where we can, use it as a vehicle of wealth and just growing our net worth. So we're going to discuss that as well. And if we just see this quick picture here, look at that. That's what most of us expect success, to be. Just a straight line, easy. Shouldn't take too much time, you put in a little bit of work and you get, you achieve your goals. But usually it's more like this, it's just funny. I love this picture, but expectation versus reality. So that's an important, idea in today's video. So most new investors tend to think that investing into cryptocurrency is flashy. It's making profitable trades all the time. No losses, no mistakes, becoming rich quick, the fast life and immediate success, when in reality, the journey tends to be totally different. As we can see in this picture, this is our beautiful plan, straight line. We're riding our bike. We have our plan. We can see the goal, it's far away, but we can see it. It's clear. All right, it's just time to move forward. But then the reality is, this is this down here, really. You're coming through and then you're going to have your hurdles, there's going to be a lot going on in between that you just have to overcome, and then you reach your goal. So it's good to have that vision and that perspective. So most new investors are not interested in learning about the truths of investing. They prefer the easy way out or just to block out all that noise, but that's just the reality. And it's good to understand it early so that you can take the necessary steps, to adapt and adjust and then eventually become successful. So we all have a plan until something goes wrong. We have a plan. Look at the picture up here, nice and clean. But then the first bump, you got to be ready. If something goes wrong, again, adaptability and adjustment are going to be key, in your journey throughout cryptocurrency investing. So again, we all have a plan until something goes wrong, until that first mistake happens, until our best case scenarios and expectations are broken. Life happens, and in investing, it's no different. Success is not linear, and it's not meant to be. So it's good that you get out of the way. You understand that early, so that you can become successful. So again, to become successful, an investor must overcome hurdles, mainly emotional ones. When a trade doesn't go your way, when you sold too early or bought too late, when you're constantly making mistakes, overcoming those situations will make you a better investor and lead you towards success in the long run. Success takes time. Let's go to the charts. Let's see real quick. Let's see. Let's go to the charts here. And let's see Bitcoin, right? Success takes time. Let's say you bought the bottom, man. You were a great investor. You bought the bottom. You bought Bitcoin around 3K. This was January 2019, okay? So if you take and you measure January 2019 until the top was around April 2021, the first top of the double top. Let's just say that was the market cycle top because it was very near to, the double peak area here. So let's say you bought the bottom and you sold the top, which is highly unlikely. But, for this example, you still had to wait. That's 27 bars. We're on a monthly chart. Each candle is 1 month. So that's 27 months. That's over 2 years. So you would have invested down here in Bitcoin. You would have had to wait more than 2 years, like 2 years and 3 months. And you would have to have, just gone through this pump, then this dump, and then this pump. And you would have to just gone through it, and success is not buying here and selling up here necessarily. It's going through and enduring this time frame here, those 2 years without selling, holding on to your investments, not getting emotional when we pump up here and then go back down and things of that nature. So that's just something to keep, in mind. Success takes time, and that's fine. We have time on our side. We just have to make sure that we take care of everything else. Make sure, like we say here, we understand that cryptocurrency is not a get rich quick scheme. It's more about overcoming hurdles, making sure that you know the truths about investing. You make mistakes, you learn from them, and so on and so forth. So again, success comes as an extension of our education. Most people get in at first strictly for the money, and that's fine to a certain extent. One way or another, we're all here to grow our money, but the money comes as an extension of our desire to educate ourselves while striving to achieve success. In order to succeed, you must understand what it is that you are actually doing. In this case, investing into cryptocurrencies. Understanding comes through education. Most people don't want to educate themselves. They just want the easy money without putting in the necessary work required to achieve that success. A conscious decision needs to be made to get yourself educated, to become a better version of yourself, to acquire the necessary skills to become that successful investor that you've always wanted to be. No education equals no success. I love that phrase. So what do we have for you guys? Like I always say, I have a list of free educational videos here on YouTube, free educational content. I'm gonna make sure to leave the description, the link to in the description down below this video. Again, look at all these videos. It's just free education. I mean, come on, guys. You guys don't have to pay for this. If you guys want to educate yourselves, you just come here. You learn about Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, about the benefits of fundamental analysis, about how to change your life with cryptocurrency, about the global inflation and recessionary times, stagflation that we're currently going through. What are the top 5 best coins, Jay? Below $1 for the next bull market. Just so many different topics here that you can educate yourself. The benefits of technical analysis. It goes on and on and on. So make sure, if you guys have that burning desire to educate yourselves, there's a link in the description down below. It costs you what? A click, and then you have access to this quality educational content all for free. So keep that in mind. Cryptocurrency as a vehicle of wealth. In my humble opinion, cryptocurrency investing is the middle/lower classes' last hope, guys, honestly, to increase their net worth immensely in what can be considered as a relatively short to mid-term time frame. This vehicle of wealth won't stay running in the same fashion that it runs today forever, in the sense that today's opportunity will most likely not be here tomorrow. The market will mature, the volatility will lessen, diminishing cycle returns will happen. The time to invest is now. It is our responsibility to maximize these current opportunities by decentralizing ourselves from the system, educating ourselves, paying off our bad debt, investing our hard-earned money in long-term appreciating assets and cryptocurrencies, anything that can enable us to find ourselves in a position of strength, a position to succeed no matter what comes our way, guys. So let's just see an example real quick. Let's go to the chart. So again, here we're going to talk about the vehicle of wealth. What does that mean, Jay? Well, look, as you can see, the growth is never the same as time goes on. So we have a bottom here. We had a growth of what? That's 10,000%. If we measure the next cycle low to the next cycle top, let's say it was up here, that's 2,000%. So from 10,000% to 2,000% is not the same percentage of growth, obviously. This one was 5x more. This one was 5x less than the previous one. So again, it's all about market cycles, understanding that there's going to always be diminishing returns. So the same thing. Let's say this is the bottom here at 17,500. The next return might be, let's say Bitcoin reaches $120,000 just for this example's purpose. So let's say that's 587%. That's 4 times less, give or take, the previous cycle. So again, there's diminishing returns. The opportunities today are not going to be the same tomorrow. So that's the point of taking advantage of this current cycle. And the same thing with Cardano. This is an example we have here. Let's say on August 2020, you guys said, you know what, Cardano's 10 cents. I'm going in. Man, Cardano, I believe in the project. I believe in crypto. I want to increase and grow my net worth. You made a plan. You said in 1 year, I'm going to sell. I'm not saying that's the best strategy. This is just an example. And in 1 year, in August 2021, let's say, that's a 3,000% increase in just 12 months, in just 1 year. So again, it would be from 10 cents to $1. That's 30x in 1 year. Where are you going to get that? Where else? In 1 year, in 12 months, where are you going to get that 3,000%? Doubling your money in this world is hard enough. Imagine 30xing it. You know what I mean? Not 2xing, 30x in just 1 year. Of course, the conditions were right. It was a bull market. This doesn't happen all the time. And again, success takes time, because that means you would have had to invest here and gone through all of this back here, and not thinking that it would go lower and things of that nature. But my point is, where else are you going to get these returns that is not crypto? So I believe in crypto as a vehicle of wealth, a good one, but you have to invest in the bear markets and then sell in a bull market. So you have to invest when no one wants to invest and sell when everyone is coming into the market. So this is just an example that shows that this is a great opportunity to invest in the bear market. For example, if you would invest now, let's just show you here, and then you take advantage of that next upswing of the market. So you invest now, and then you take advantage of the next bull market. That's where it's at, guys. Cryptocurrency as a vehicle of wealth. There's going to always be opportunities in cryptocurrency, but the sooner you get in and you take advantage of the bear market cycle, then the better off you'll be in the bull market cycle in the next one. So again, guys, bilingual investing, Jay here with you guys today. Make sure you guys check our website, and there's going to be a link in the description down below in our social networks. Let's take a peek real quick. You can come over here, investment tools and resources, everything you would need, for your cryptocurrency investment journey. This content is not official financial advice. It was created exclusively for educational purposes only. Don't forget to like this video, sub if you haven't done so, click on the notification bell. Thank you for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.